Can you teach us, sir, a simple technique? Parang a technique po. Without using any weapon.
Yeah, but I'm going to ask you if you are ready to hurt yourself.
Okay.
And joke lang. Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
How are we
Simple
going to-
strike. Tatayo ako?
Sige, sir.
Sige.
Haba.
Dahil wala akong weapon and anything can be used as weapon. Say for example, this Sprite that I'm going to drink like itong bottle ng Sprite na to, say for example, ito ay sword, and I'm going to baka Sprite talaga to or what yeah, kasi baka sumabog.
What?
Yeah. I'm going to do the basic asterisk strike. Ito siya. Then this is the stance, naka-largo ako. I'm protecting myself. I'm extending my hand kasi mahaba yung weapon ko. I'm going to do the asterisk strike.